We'll guide you through how to use Google Chat from Gmail. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because Google Chat is hidden by default in Gmail. It helps users enable the feature, making communication easier without switching between different applications. To begin the process, access the Windows Start menu on your device by clicking the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the menu opens, type Google Chrome into the search field to quickly locate the browser. When the search results appear, open the Google Chrome browser on your system by selecting it. After the browser launches, go to Gmail by clicking the Gmail menu in the top right corner of the browser window. Once the page loads, ensure that you're already logged into your account, as this is required to access all features. After confirming your login, the Gmail home screen will appear, displaying your inbox and other available options. By default, the Google Chat feature is disabled in Gmail, so you will need to enable it before using it. To do this, click Settings, which is represented by a gear icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. After clicking the icon, a pop-up menu will appear with several configuration options. From this menu, select See All Settings to open the full settings page. The main menu display will then change, showing multiple tabs for different configurations. Next, select the Chat and Meet menu located on the far right side of the settings page. Within this section, locate the chat settings area and change the selection from Off to Google Chat to activate the feature. Once you have made this change, click Save Changes to apply the new settings. After saving, your Gmail page will automatically reload to update the interface. When the page finishes loading, you will notice that a new menu has appeared on the left side of the browser. To access the feature, hover your cursor over the left side and click Chat, which is represented by a bubble chat icon. The main page display will then switch to Google Chat, and you can now start using Google Chat directly from Gmail to send messages, manage conversations, and communicate more efficiently without leaving your email interface.